Rocks and Minerals. My name's Roxanne and this is actually my very first time on YouTube, so I profoundly apologise right from the outset for this really amateur homemade video series, but I'm doing this series in Rocks and Minerals to help people try and understand the complexity of rocks and minerals. I'm going to start talking about the different types of minerals. We're going to start off with the definitions of minerals. We're going to talk about how minerals are identified. We're going to talk about where they are found, the different types of mineral groups that there are, and there are not only loads of different minerals, but there's loads and loads of different groups of minerals, and they'll be different episodes altogether. So after talking about definitions of minerals and showing you examples of minerals, I'm going to start talking about the different types of mineral categories that we use. And the two main types that we're going to start off with are rock-forming minerals and ore-forming minerals. The rock-forming minerals are going to predominate in this series because they're the ones that people find mostly when they're going out and about.
Stones, sir? Nah, they got them up there, lying around on the ground.
So I really hope you enjoyed this series. I hope it's informative and I hope that you gain a better understanding from doing this. If your goal is to pass an exam, I hope it's really useful for you and informative. And if you're just a rock collector, that's absolutely fantastic. I'm actually both. I've studied geology for a long time and I've got a nice collection part of it sitting behind me now. So I really would like to share my geological knowledge with you and help you try and understand or make sense of maybe some of the pieces that you've got and elements of the geological world that can be a little bit confusing.
A boulder has a diameter greater than 25.6 centimeters.
Now, just before we finish off here, I'm going to explain that as we go through these episodes, every now and then I'm going to be pointing upwards. And as I do that, what we'll be doing in editing is adding in the words written up on the screen that will appear on the screen that are genuine geological terminology. So there's terminology that we use in geological terms that seems like everyday words. Words like massive and cleavage. They are terminology that we apply to identification of minerals, and they don't quite mean what people think they mean.
Inconceivable! You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
So we're going to be using a lot of these different words, and as I might discuss things in passing, each time I'm using a geological terminology, I will be putting it up on the screen so that you identifying a word as being a genuine piece of geological terminology. So I just wanted to do that as a tool to help you understand and clarify a little bit better of what is a geological term and what isn't. So welcome to my series. I hope it does help you understand some geology and mineralogy, and I've got a cat on my desk. Sorry, it distracted me a lot. He's lovely. Okay, say hello pussycat. So he loves my rocks and minerals, they smell lovely. So anyway, thank you for joining me in this series and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.